Hi guys, welcome back. Just to show you how effective these two little simple steps do to your AEG. As you can see, I've converted my guitar box into a gun case with a plastic film on hinges. Actually comes in handy really well when you've got all your loadouts, you've got your mags, your loaders, your scopes, your batteries, your link. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to load you these things. I'm going to show you exactly how effective. Now you guys, I use this speed loader. It's so much easier than the usual clicky ones which take forever. These literally load as quick as that. I'm actually using blaster tracers 0.28s. I feel that they're a lot better for the gun. So if you have a look, this is my KWA Ronin T6 Customs. I've got a couple of, I've actually got quite a lot of mods on this. I've carbon fibered the back. I've put a rubber grip mount here, which is actually really good. I've got this is actually a new one that my wife bought me. It's actually a hardened grip mount, and it attaches to the bottom of your magwell. Tracer unit, protective glass. This scope is awesome for indoor and outdoor. So basically what we're trying to explain to you is, if you get to the end of your gun, and the PTFE tape works wonders. So what happens is, when you're shooting you see your barrel, it moves, so it does this when you fire it, and then that actually makes your groupings a lot further. At the moment, you'll notice that this is solid, it doesn't move, because I have had PTFE installed inside, and I'll show you back at the office. So, hi guys, welcome back. This small demonstration for these two simple steps. I'm going to show you how effective this can be for your AEG, your sniper rifle, even your pistol. It works on everything. So I've got a couple of targets down there, roughly about 50 to 60 meters away, pint glasses, and even your grouping, you'll notice that it's going to get a lot tighter, a lot smaller with these simple steps. Let's have a look. Right guys, I roughly shot about 7 shots and I hit 5 cups. If you're hitting these kind of sizes on the field, you're actually going to be a good shooter. You're actually going to be good on the field. So it's actually quite worth giving this a go. So I'm going to head back to the office, to the studio, and I'll explain a little bit more in depth. If you're liking this and it's giving you some kind of benefit, can you please subscribe, hit the like button, just hit the bell icon, it would help you out a lot. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this channel, I'm just going to show you exactly how easy it is to make your gun shoot accurate by groupings of this much. With my last demonstration that I showed you, which I'm going to show you, it was roughly 50 meters, and I managed to hit pint glasses. So I managed to do 8 shots and I managed to hit the pint glasses 5 times. So it's quite simple. Guys, obviously what happens is when you're firing your weapon, this also works in snipers, handguns and AEGs. What happens is, whatever barrel that you're using, I'm preferably using a Mad Dog. I'll show you. So basically what happens is, if I just screw the end of here up, so what happens is every time you fire your weapon, this piece here at the end moves. And if you can see quite close, and I'll show you on this GoPro, there's quite a lot of movement. There's a lot of movement. What happens is every time you fire your gun, this piece here moves. It's a bit like when you deflate a balloon, how it does that to the balloon. And that's what happens every time you fire your gun. So with this simple step, guys, I could turn your accuracy, your groupings really small, and I'll show you how. And all you need to do, brake cleaner. Why? I'll explain why later. And PTFE tape. Trust me, guys, this is what you need. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So just release your magazine, pull the pin out, release your clock and pull your gun off top. We'll put this to a side. So what you'll notice is, inside here, you've got your hop-up unit. And with the hop-up unit, if it's not tight inside here when it fires, it's going to have a decompression of your pellets to be used. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So you pull it out. It all depends on what barrel you're using. I'm personally using a Mad Dog 6.3mm with a purple Prometheus hop-up, I'm looking. Doesn't matter what you use, if you use the box standard one that comes out of the gun, or you upgrade it to any one that you like. So basically what we're trying to do is we're trying to stop the friction, the movement from here to your barrel that comes out through here. So, how to do this? First of all, I personally like to use, your cleaning rod with a cloth at the end. Best thing to use is lint free. So what you do is first of all you get your brake cleaner. So there's two options, there's two different things. So you need to make sure that your barrel is clean. What happens is with manufacturers, when they come from manufacturers, that is when they're cut and cleaned, in the manufacturer what happens is they blast it with water, and with the water it tends to dry wherever it's sat on the floor. So if you look through it, you can't really tell, but you can tell that there's a water residue when you buy it brand new. So it's best to give it a clean. So I personally like using brake cleaner. Don't use water, do not use WD-40. Some kind of alcohol that will evaporate. My personal favourite brake cleaner. So all you do is give your brake cleaner a little spray and it will evaporate shortly. Push it through and just make sure when you're pushing it through that you're twisting at the same time, backward and forward, but make sure that it's giving a good wipe. What to do is focus on the end up here where you've got the gun. Preferably I'd take off the booking at the end, but it's entirely up to yourself. I know this is clean anyway, so what you do is you just give it a good clean with your brake cleaner. You'll be surprised how much dirt comes out from normal kind of cleaning substances that you use than brake cleaner, because brake cleaner and car cleaner, best one to use. So if you can just tell here, I've cleaned this quite regularly on a regular, and it makes a lot of difference on your accuracy. So you can tell here, quite dirty. You've got loads of bits as well I've been cleaning. So since I have a little sister, right then, that looks awesome. Looks very clean. Right then. So next is what you need to do is get your PTFE tape. And you can buy this from any hardware store. It's not a professional thing. So what you'll need to do is you just need to measure where the end of your barrel will slide, and then you just kind of measure it, and it'll kind of give you some kind of indication of where it hangs out. You obviously don't want to put it at the end here, so if you just have a look here, roughly finger depth. So I know roughly is about here. So what I'll do is, I'll get my PTFE tape, and you'll just wrap it. Just keep wrapping it. Give it maybe 3 to 4 layers of wrap. And what that tends to do is, gives it a little bit of bulge. And something else I like to do as well, I like to put a little bit of tape just on your lugs here. So just twist. But don't put it in front of the lugs. So what you'll get, what it'll look like, is a little bit at the end here, and at the bottom here. So what you'll do is you'll insert your spring. So you know that your barrel is clean. You'll insert, and you can feel that there is a little bit, you'll feel that there's a little bit of give. You know it's tight. So what you do is you push in all the way. The spring will engage to push out. And now, if I push this in like it would have been, you'll see here you have no movement whatsoever. Normally you'd be able to hear that it's moving. So now this is inserted in here. Yeah, no movement whatsoever. So what you'll do is you'll place this, make sure your pin is back here. Push down, pull the clip, clips in, just check that it's lined up, make sure your mag, there you go, we're good to go here, there you go. So have a look here, no movement whatsoever. So guys, doing this little trick is actually, it makes your gun run so much better. and I'll show you on this next video, just to show you how accurate this can be. Right then guys, signing out. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and hit the bell icon if you don't mind, and I'll appreciate that. See you on the next video. I'm going to show you on my next video how I engraved my handle for better grip. There's actually quite a lot of mod cons on this gun, and I'll show you exactly how it works. So thank you very much guys, peace out, love and respect, and stay safe. Thank you, bye. Yeah, another thing I noticed, when you go on full auto, you notice that the BBs are shooting in the same area quite consistently. So if you can see, I'll show you, obviously. Don't know if you can actually see that. So what happens is they seem to be shooting a lot closer gap instead of spreading out. Actually quite effective. I know everybody's stuck in COVID at the moment, but not being able to go out play. But having these little things done on your gun makes a big difference, and you'll notice on the field. Give it a go, guys. What's the worst that can happen? Bit of PTFE tape, any hardware store, and then you do your brake cleaner. Obviously, personally use brake cleaner to clean your barrels. It's vapor free, so it doesn't leave any residue. Another thing you'll notice is on the barrel, but I'll get into that detail when I get back to the studio. Alright guys, peace and love, take care.